Now it's time to open a copy of this missing page. Emergency transmission. Okay, सुबह we woke up.
And somebody sent us the solution to page 79. Somebody found the page 79.
And they clicked a photo of it with themselves and they sent us. So we are holding a copy of page 79 and it's time.
We finally have a winner, but let's show you how and where it was.
How to find it, also what it looks like. हम सब देखेंगे, ठीक है?
Okay, it all starts with the riddle on page 78. The riddle is, to the world it must be blind, only the worthy shall find.
इसका सिंपल इतना सा मीनिंग है कि the page is hidden somewhere. Somebody who can think logically, only those people can find it.
इसका बस यही मतलब है?
हाँ, इसका बस यही मतलब है.
Or is it?
Or is it?
Hardly a word you shall seek.
हाँ. Now this line has sent people in many different directions. But the basic simple direction is you have to find something more than one word. We will come back to it towards the end.
At school you will meet. Turn over the room. See the star.
हाँ. बहुत सारा filler content इन दो lines के अंदर. Take the keywords. School, room and star. These are three words. Keywords in this one line. Okay. School में जो rooms होते हैं, what do we call them?
Classroom.
And there are a couple of pages which talks about classrooms. Page number 201 and page number 220. इन दो पेज में से कोई एक पेज important है and we'll figure out which one is important. Let's open page number 220 please.
Oh.
Page number 220 talks about
Easter eggs.
talks about Easter eggs. Okay, ठीक है. उसके अंदर यहाँ पे बात की है थर्ड पैराग्राफ में क्लासरूम एट कैलिफोर्निया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ आर्ट्स जो भी है, ठीक है, एक क्लासरूम की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. लास्ट लाइन क्या इस पैराग्राफ की?
We love spotting Easter eggs, you know that. And we love putting Easter eggs in our work too, you know that too.
But the greatest hint is in the answer. आंसर के अंदर जॉय की शेप क्या है?
Star.
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 This is the only page in the book which has classrooms and star and talks about Easter eggs. So let's stay with page number 220 and go back and read the last line.
Yes. And the lost Greeks will guide you far.
Oof, okay. Again, among many filler words, lost Greeks far. Okay. What are lost Greeks? Who is lost? Students who are still learning. People who are still learning, they're trying to find their place because they don't know their place yet. They're lost in life. Now we are going to find a page which talks about Greek students. Again, we are extending the hint of classrooms to students. And but this time we are trying to find a page which talks about Greek students.
Yes.
वो हमें मिलेगा page number 42 पे, which is also the solution to life, universe and everything.
Yeah.
Page number 42. But. The third keyword, far. We don't have to focus on page number 42. Yes, 42 talks about asking the right questions and everything.
Yes.
But we have to go just a little far from 42 to land on our important page. And that is page number 43.
Page number 43 is one of those pages.
It's the only page.
It's the only page जहाँ पे 79 नंबर मेंशन है बुक में, क्योंकि बुक में पेज नंबर तो है ही नहीं 79, तो वो तो 79 आया नहीं. बट इस पेज 43 में there is 79.
Okay, so now we have two pages. Page number
220
and page number
43.
ठीक है. और अब हम एक हिंट देते आए हुए थे हम अपने शोज के अंदर. What was the hint that we had been giving?
The hint was that you need the physical copy of this book to find page 79. There was a reason why we don't have e-book version of this book, because you need it to find page 79.
Why is that? Because page number 220 is one thing that you can see, but one thing that is blind to you.
Blind.
Blind.
Only the worthy.
The poem also talks about see the star.
Yes.
Which star? This page has also something printed in photochromatic light. When you take this page and not against any light, but only light from a star, which is our sun. If you look at the sun through this page, you will see some group of words appearing. But which group of words is important? You see, each group has 3 words. That's why.
Hardly a word. You shall see. Not a word.
But 3 words.
3 words.
3 words.
अब पेज 220 पे आपको कहाँ देखना है? आपको वहाँ देखना है जहाँ पे पेज 43 में 79 नंबर लिखा है. बिकॉज व्हाट इज द मिसिंग पेज? 79. Those 3 words which you will see right at that spot are
Forms, afford, wished. Wow, okay, very crazy
Very
3
random,
words, है ना? Very
very
random 3
random.
words. क्या है ये 3 words?
What the
कैसे
what?
करें? What the what? है ना? And here is seems like there is dead end.
Yeah.
But it's not. Those 3 words are the exact location of the missing page. है ना? ये लाइन आप 10 सेकंड बाद ना 10 सेकंड पीछे करके दोबारा
Rewind
सुनोगे
देखोगे,
आप. हाँ, ठीक है.
peak detailing.
Peak detailing. ठीक है. तो अभी there's a system called what 3 words. What 3 words is a system through which you can pinpoint any small place on the entire earth, including the oceans, using just 3 words.
Yes.
It's called what 3 words. These are the 3 words. If you go to what3words.com, enter these 3 words, forms.afford.wished. It will take you to
The missing page.
the missing page. The missing page is actually a location in Birmingham, UK. If you just go over to the place, if you knock on the door, and if you just ask for it, can I have the missing page? They will give you this. And also they will tell you the instructions how to make this information reach back to us. That's why the trip to London was important.
That is why it's mentioned in the very first video we made about the book. उस वीडियो को एंड ही हमने ये करा है कि then we went to London, we got this idea. कुछ तो हम क्लू छोड़ गए थे वहाँ पे.
ठीक है. तो दोस्तों, now it's time to open a copy of this missing page and let's see how it looks like.
Let's see how it looks
हाँ?
like.
याद है ना? To the world, it must be blind.
Only the worthy shall find.
दोस्तों, this is what page 79 looks like. It's written in Braille because to the world it must be blind. If you know Braille, you already understood the page. If you do not know Braille, let us decode it for you. Randomly कुछ letters appear करेंगे, eventually making the full message. Here we go. दोस्तों
इस बार मैं बकरा नहीं बनी.
नहीं मिसिंग पेज वाली मिस्ट्री मिसिंग पेज वाली मिस्ट्री अप्रैल फुल नहीं है. द मिस्ट्री इज स्टिल ट्रू. सिर्फ सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिला है. द मिस्ट्री इज रियल. सॉल्यूशन अभी नहीं मिला है.
Yes.
द न्यूज दैट सॉल्यूशन मिल गया वाज द अप्रैल फूल्स. ठीक है. नाउ
Yes.
ऑल्सो एन एग्जांपल दैट देयर आर मेनी रॉन्ग वेज टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन. है ना? एंड यू विल इवेंचुअली लीड टू ओह दिस इज इट.
If you don't know the missing page, if you solve it, the winner gets
79 rupees 79 paisa.
the prize is still out there to play.
Price has also increased. Just give us 1 minute, then we'll go away. Okay. The mystery is real. Solution अभी नहीं मिला है.
Yes.
The news that solution मिल गया है was the April Fools. ठीक है. Now.
Yes.
Also an example that there are many wrong ways to find the solution. है ना? And you will eventually lead to oh this is it. But
And they all make sense. Wasn't it making sense? हमने इतनी मेहनत से
हाँ.
wrong solution मिला, हमें लगा अरे वाह यार ये भी कितना अच्छा है.
है ना?
सही thinking.
अब important
Yeah.
thing, we will leave you
हाँ.
because we are sorry. We had to pull a prank. April Fools था. It's a tradition.
Okay.
But to make up for it, we'll also leave you with a big major hint.
Yes.
ठीक है? Okay. So first of all, the stakes. The stakes previously were 79 rupees 79 paisa. We have increased the stake to 79 rupees and 80 paisa now.
अरे because a lot of people are messaging and commenting justice for page 80. ये हमारी justice है.
तो हाँ, पेज 80 पे कुछ भी नहीं है. पेज 80 इज ब्लैंक. उस पेज का पीछे वाला पार्ट है. हाँ, ओके, ठीक है. नाउ द हिंट.
The hint is the Reddit thread has figured out all independent pieces of this puzzle. Someone just needs to connect them all and think in the right direction to find the page.
दिस इज योर हिंट.
But yeah, really sorry guys. We just love doing मस्ती होने पर.
थोड़ा मस्ती चलता है दोस्तों. हैप्पी अप्रैल फूल्स.
दोस्तों इतनी एक्टिंग तो हमने आज तक कभी किसी APH
It was so difficult. एक तो
Sorry.
मेकिंग द मेन पजल वाज डिफिकल्ट एंड नाउ मेकिंग दिस फेक सॉल्यूशन वाज आल्सो. है ना? बट बिलीवेबल था ना?
बिलीवेबल तो था बट सॉरी फॉर द एक्टर. हमें मजा बड़ी आ रही थी.
हाँ,
But-
अंदर से हंसी भी आ रही थी.
आई नो. मुझे लगा अरे नहीं गाइस डोंट गिव अप होप. अभी है रियल सोल्यूशन है. देयर इज अ प्रॉपर नाइस सोल्यूशन. बट या हैप्पी अप्रैल फूल गाइस. लव यू.